All right, let's start talking about fluids. So first we need to make sure we remember the definition of density. We're going to use the Greek letter rho for density. That's the common term. And we'll often use a subscript W because we'll often be dealing with water. It's like the density of water. But you really need to make sure you are applying it to whatever specific object you are analyzing. So density is defined, I'm going to use three equal signs there to meaning it's a definition, is the mass of the object divided by the volume of the object. Okay, and so we can rewrite that. Let's say we know the density of our stuff. We're trying to find the mass. We can say mass equals density times volume. So we'll be doing that often. Now, something I've seen with this we need to be very careful with is that when we're dealing with like small volumes versus large volumes and trying to convert to SI units, you need to remember that volume is generally proportional to a length cubed. So let's say that we measure something in centimeters. I have a box here and it's 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. Okay? If I want to put that in SI units, I'd say, well, I start with 1 centimeter cubed because it's 1 times 1 times 1. But I need to be careful to not say that's 100 meters cubed. And my argument to say 100 meters cubed, say, well, there's 100 centimeters in a meter. Well, there's 100 centimeters in a meter, but not 100 cubic centimeters in a cubic meter. We have to cube it. Okay, so to get correctly, if I have 1 centimeter cubed, okay, then I would go, okay, how many centimeters are in a meter? So I'd have 100 centimeters in 1 meter, and then I need to cube that whole ratio so that I have a cubic centimeter and a cubic meter. And so that is the proper way to convert. Okay. Likewise, if I had one cubic meter, 1 meter cubed, and I want to convert that to centimeters, then I'd say, okay, I have 1 meter and 100 centimeters, cube the whole thing, and you can see you end up with 1 times 10 to the 6th cubic centimeters. And so that is important to remember. Same thing if we're talking about areas, make sure you convert properly.